Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello mga ka-showbiz, Miss Universe Queen Pia Wurtzbach nag-enjoy dahil bumisita ang nag-iisang aso sa kanilang resort na pinag-istihan sa Cebu, sa G Park Island Resort sa Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. May bumisita sa kanila na isang aso na cute na si Savi. Kaya naman nag-enjoy at masaya itong si Pia Wurtzbach sa pagbisita ng cute na asong si Savi. Na ito ang ating update at video.
Open eye, feel the waves. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.